Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use maps in instabridge app. So here you can try to get instabridge app first from a your Play Store or App Store, and don't forget to turn on location. And now let's skip this introduction first, and don't forget to turn on your location. To grant location permission to find the best nearby Wi-Fi in the background, you can tap to continue. And here we go, you can jump to map. So let's this app process the location. You can find instabridge Wi-Fi spot here. Now the first tab, as you can see, I'm at Bali right now, and here there's a red dot. So this is the rarely works. So you need to find the green one. For example, this is the green one, or the green dots. And here, for example, you can tap a one of the Wi-Fi. So here you can tap it, and you have to aware there is some advertise in order to get the password or show the password to access the Wi-Fi. And also you can try surf with a data, or you can try to set this instabridge app as your default browser. And also if you tap more, you can upgrade into instabridge premium. You can get some feature, no ads or VPN. You can try to start a free trial also. And also you got a point here, you can redeem point like VPN, cloud, in order to earn points, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.